What's going on, everybody? This is Brian with American Steel Carports. Today we're back out here in our favorite area, Paloma Ranch. It's a neighborhood in Justin, Texas. Sometimes customers, all they need is a perfect metal building to store all the extra stuff that they can't fit in their home. So that's what this building is behind us. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, so the building right behind me is going to be an 18 wide by 30 foot long and 11 foot tall up to the east. The colors on it are going to be this Hawaiian blue color for the siding, and then on the trim it's going to be clay. The panels themselves are 26 gauge upgraded. The ones on the roof are just upgraded to the 26 gauge, so they are the regular ag panel that we offer on all of our buildings. But then the siding here is going to have the 26 gauge upgrade plus the PBR upgrade to give it a nice different profile. Looks really nice. Be sure to check with your HOA or wherever you're going to be building, because sometimes they do require these upgrades on the metal building. So it's always just best to check before you order your metal garage. On the side here of this metal building, the customer did get a 36 by 80 cottage style walk-in door, and it also has two 30 by 53 inch windows. And on the front here, this customer did get a 10 by 8 roll-up door with a header seal. So let's go ahead and use it to get inside the building. Alrighty, now we're here inside this building. You can check it out. The customer already got a lot of his belongings in here. He's going to be using it for storage. Looks really nice. The panels on this building are all vertical, so the customer did go ahead and get all insulated. So the siding and the roof as well. And this is a little different, but here on this customer did get these two skylight panels, giving him some extra light. We don't know if he's going to be doing any kind of electricity work or anything in here. So, this does provide him some light, as well as these two 30 by 53 inch windows and a cottage style walk-in door. I mean, check out how amazing these windows are and this cottage style walk-in door. He doesn't have any electricity or lights in here just yet, but look how much sunlight it has. They're going to be 53 inch tall and 30 inch. And I think the best thing about these windows is that they have no grid. So clear visibility and lots of light coming in. Really nice. Also, the insulation is working really well because I think it's about 60 degrees outside right now and it feels pretty warm in here. I don't even need a jacket. Feels really good. But this is also just giving you a look here at this guy has a, riding lawnmower, another lawnmower, several storage things that probably couldn't fit in his home. And he has a lot more room for a lot more stuff. So just kind of give you an idea of what an 18 by 30 building can store. Sometimes customers don't need the really big buildings. This is kind of perfect for them. You could also put, a vehicle in here if you run out of in your other garage. But yeah, just kind of give you another idea, something else, a different size that we normally don't see on this channel. Remember guys, this customer does have the vertical panels on the siding and the roof as well. So here along the siding, you can see that the customer does have the girths running the length of the structure. And then on the roof line here, you can see that the customer does have the hat channels running the length of the building as well, providing some much needed reinforcement and strength to this structure. Alrighty guys, giving you one more look here at this color combination that this customer got. Remember, it's going to be the 26 gauge PBR Hawaiian blue color for the siding. And he also did get the clay for the trim work as well. Looks really nice. We haven't seen this before yet. The customer also did happen to get the color matching screws all along this building. Really ties the whole thing together. Looks really nice. Alrighty guys, that was a quick little short video showcasing this 18 by 30 by 11 foot tall metal garage here with the colors Hawaiian blue and clay that we haven't seen before. We always do the big metal buildings, but sometimes we can do the small garages as well. That's usually what a customer needs, whatever storage solutions that they have for their car or just extra things that they can't fit in their home. Don't forget to share and like this video and leave us some comments down below at what you want to see next or what you would store in a building like this. Anyways, this has been Brian with American Steel Carports, here to answer questions and show you all that we can do so that you can get your dream metal building too.